One of the most common questions I get asked is why do we have two different names for the same note? A lot of people think this is because of personal preferences and you can just choose whichever name you want. But that's actually not true. The reason why we have two different names for the same note is because of a concept called enharmonic equivalence. So to understand this concept, we're going to take the key of D major as our example. Now the key of D major has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So the scale looks something like this. As you can see, it's F sharp and C sharp. So for now, I want you to forget about C sharp for a second, alright? Just take a look at F sharp. So technically speaking, is F sharp the same note as G flat? Well, technically speaking, yes it is. But in the context of the scale, which is D major, that's incorrect. Because if you replace F sharp with G flat, that means we're going to have two letter G's in the key of D major. And you can't have that because the scale is going to look like this. You can't just get rid of F from the alphabet because the alphabet doesn't go D, E, G, G. It goes D, E, F, G. So by replacing F sharp with G flat, we're essentially putting two G's in the alphabet. And first of all, that's just weird, and second of all, it just doesn't make sense. So even though technically speaking F sharp and G flat are the same note, in the context of this scale, it's correct to say F sharp and not G flat.